What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy mbm.ruce, man. I'm back with another banger, man. And today, man, for a video, you know what I'm saying, we got a little special something, man. I ain't gonna show y'all too much. Well, y'all gonna know what it is, obviously, but what you call it? Basically trying exotic snacks. Let me just say it. I'm sitting here tweaking. Like, we trying exotic snacks, man. I'm gonna try with a bunch of different people today. Y'all, I'm not gonna say who. Y'all just gonna see who, but I'm finna try one thing right now because I'm dying to try it right now because I'm kind of thirsty. And I seen it and I'm just like, shit, might as well. I think this is dragon fruit Minute Maid. Who y'all know got dragon fruit Minute Maid, folks? Nobody. Oh God, but I'm gonna try to see how this goes. You feel me? I hope this bitch is good, so I ain't gonna lie. What is that smell? What? It smells like some type of juice. I think it's cranberry juice. It smells like. Yeah, it smells like a cranberry juice. Oh, why does it look like that on the inside? Oh. Cheers. Nah.
What's good, Sue?
This bitch is fire. This bitch is fire. Oh my. Man. That shit too hot. Alright, YouTube, man, we here with Duties, man, you know what I'm saying? And he gonna be the first one picking. So I'm gonna just basically go through and have everybody who's gonna be in the video pick 2 snacks they want to try. I'm gonna try them with them. And then they have to rate a 9 out of 10. Oh yeah, and in the last clip I forgot to rate that Minute Maid, and that'd be 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Just like that. 10 out of 10. So what 2 snacks you gonna want to pick, Duties? I'm not showing them all the snacks. So I chose the Dragon Sweet Chili Takis. I bet y'all ain't seen these, and then the
bamboo
white shaddock and green bamboo flavored. I thought this was pear when I first seen it, but it's not.
I will try Pepsi first.
You want to try the Pepsi first?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I will try it. Yeah.
You don't get to try it first. I bought it. I get the first. It smells like normal Pepsi.
It's not bad. It's actually not.
Because it tastes like a normal Pepsi, literally. It's like, tastes like a normal Pepsi. What the hell?
Did I tell me you got ripped off first? No.
Mm.
You good?
It actually tastes like a different flavor a little bit. So it's like, I ain't have that shaddock, whatever it is. Shaddock, I think it is.
Shout out bamboo.
I ain't never tasted that before, so that's probably why. So now you about to taste the Takis?
Smell good?
That stink.
You want me to try first?
It smell like the one chip. Hold on, bro. It still smell like the one chip.
Oh, ready? We're trying to take ready? 3, 2, 1. This shit is good. What you talking about?
Oh, that shit too sweet.
This shit's
That
good.
shit's disgusting. That is disgusting, nigga. That is disgusting.
These sweet is fire.
This is disgusting. Don't ever get this.
Get them. They're good.
They're too they're too sweet for Takis. It tasted like some type of candy when I ate it, bro.
The after flavor is actually good.
I don't like that, fam. I don't like that.
That says sweet chili. That's why. It's car.
Bye. We're gonna be on to the next
Try
people.
this.
Oh yeah.
Try
Let's No, you're not getting no more. Let go of it. What you talking about?
Try these?
Alright.
No.
Rate this 1 out of 10, Tomas.
1 out of 10. I'm gonna say the Pepsi is normal Pepsi, so I'm gonna give that a solid 9/8.
Okay.
But I'm probably just gonna give it a 9. And then Takis, they're actually good. He's just tripping, so I'm gonna give it, an 8.
Alright, I'm gonna give the Pepsi. Just because it tastes like normal Pepsi, I'm giving it a 7. And then these, 0. These are disgusting. These are
fucking
disgusting.
Fire. These are fire.
Those are trash. Alright, on to the next person.
My phone's
What's good, y'all, man? I'm here with Chad, man. You know what I'm saying? And we finna just try something else. So pick something you want to try. We We got a variety. I haven't even showed them the whole box yet. I've only just shown them the. That's why I said we need to put the box in.
You know what, fool? I think I want to try one of these games first.
Okay, you want to try one of those? You know what I'm saying?
1 through 10, sure.
The little peach. What they're like. Hold on. No. I'm trying to remember where they're from. Oh yeah, they're from England. They're like peach rings and stuff, but they're like more than like peach. They have like raspberry and like I don't know what this is. I know they're like raspberry, blueberry, and just different ones besides just the peach and like apple.
Damn. I think I'm gonna try this blue one.
Yeah, I was gonna say get a blue one. I damn near get a purple one. Oh, yeah, it's valid. Oh, yeah, it's valid. I already tried I think I tried the blue one. Purple
The
one.
blue one is valid.
I'm gonna rate this like, this one is an 8. You know what I'm saying?
That shit was good as hell. I'm gonna give it like, I don't even like candy, so that shit was less than I would give like 8.5. Yeah.
Alright, let me pick the next thing. You feel me? I do want to try these. We got garlic shrimp lays. Feel me? Bitch stank, bro. That motherfucker stank, bro. I ain't
That
gonna
shit feels disgusting, bro.
Alright, grab one.
Alright, guys.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I don't keep fuck. You don't fuck with it? I fuck with it.
I feel like it's, ugh. Imagine eating these bitches then talking to somebody like, yo, shit gonna be on 1,000 and it don't even taste. It don't even taste right.
It tastes good to me. I ain't gonna hold you. I fuck with it.
Yeah, I like that fucking 2.
2?
I would not eat that shit.
I ain't gonna lie. I get it like that. 9.
A 9? Those is better than those? You tweaking.
These is busting. I'm telling you, these is busting. He probably just don't like seafood, so.
I like seafood.
I'm telling you, you don't like seafood. No. I pick them up.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go.
Save those for later.
You know what?
What about this?
Well, it's hold on.
Don't pull it out and let the camera see. We don't want them seeing anything exclusive. You feel me?
Alright. You know what? I'm feeling these right here.
Those?
Yeah.
I feel my thing.
Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and I picked these right here. These Cheeto pizza Cheeto paws.
But the dishes down.
Open them real quick.
Yo, I almost died before I got here. Nah.
Alright, so y'all. Alright, so go ahead. They just smell like these. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I mean, it's valid. It's not nasty at all, to be honest.
It's not like the best thing I've ever tasted, but
it's valid. Like it's something
I get again, but it's not like the first option type though.
Type shit.
Type. No.
So I would damn near rate that like a 6. You know what I'm saying?
6?
Yeah.
You got 6? I'll go 6 too on that. 6 valid. 6 valid. And we're gonna do one more. Just fast. We got Kit Kat Chunky.
Get your chunky
Cookie dough. You feel me? It's cookie dough. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Bust it open.
Let's be damn.
Pop.
Oh yeah, pause. Whoa.
Damn, that motherfucker.
Fatty's here.
This is like a lot.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. I'll fuck with it.
Yeah, you don't.
You got it, so. You should have known it was gonna be good. It's a Kit Kat. Like,
Yeah, but damn,
it's busting. Oh God.
this is good. Like, you got some like, coffee or some sort of shit.
I'm gonna rate this 10. You get 10 for me. I ain't gonna hold you.
It get a 9 for me. It's not like.
This is the best Kit Kat I ever ate. Like, oh God.
That's alright.
See me? But alright, y'all. What did you give it a rate? Okay. Yeah, you said 9. Okay. Alright, man. On to the next one. Alright, what's good, YouTube? We here with Mari, Alex, and Kai in chat again.
MBM chat.
And we trying some more snacks, so who wants to pick the first snack?
I will.
Yeah.
We got some candy from Zimbabwe.
Ooh.
Okay.
We got some Chupa Chups pinkies.
From Zimbabwe.
Everyone pass it around, you know, get a look at it.
Alright, don't let say it's opening bitches, so kind of pass them around.
Yeah, you're no fucking fun.
What do they need? What does everybody need to see it for? We finna eat it.
Because no one's ever fucking seen this shit.
Well, we're seeing it now.
Everybody check out.
Ooh, looks like I'm getting 2.
Well, this just smells good as hell. Hold on. Smell like them Krabby Patties, bro. Like the meat, the meat thing on the Krabby Patty. The meat part.
Like
them gummy Krabby Patties.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what these are.
Alex, you're not even in the view, bro. Scooch over some. Like there.
Bro, I've had these before. These are good.
Are you
They're
ready?
Strawberries.
Oh, try you can get one? Alright, come on.
Dang, that's a little
on,
harder
ready?
than them
3,
gummy crab guys.
2. You already smack on it. Come on. Yeah, it's hard as hell.
Yeah, because they're gummies.
Wow, these hard.
Bro, these sound effects not it.
They taste like strawberry, don't they?
But these good, yeah.
They're dying.
like,
They're definitely dying.
Yeah,
Like
they
a
have
gummy
these.
strawberry,
You know, Charlie's,
yeah.
they have these, but they're tinier and softer.
I've had them.
What you rate them 1 through 10?
I'm sure these are 8.
Banana, son.
What about you, Shaq?
I'll be like a 7.
I'm gonna be honest with you, they're
3.
fucking ass. No,
You don't fuck with these?
no, they're ass, bro. I'll give it like a fucking 2.
Damn. I give it like a solid 7. You know what I'm saying?
They smell good. They're,
Now we finna try something different. We finna try the Jello candy gummies. You feel me? Jello candy. You know what I'm saying?
These are bomb.
I don't know where these from. I think these from Canada or something.
Kansas, yeah.
Ooh, they smell good as hell, boy.
Ooh.
This nigga stole my gum.
Get your
Don't eat it until everybody got one.
I think you guys overhyped the smell a little bit.
Damn.
Dude, it
It
smells like.
smells good.
You guys just overhyped it. Like it's not a bad smell.
Oh, well, obviously it's not a bad smell. Are you ready? 3,
No, it's not.
2, 1.
Damn. That's really good.
It tastes like that that red icy stuff.
It does taste like an icy.
It kind of tastes like the Twizzler.
That's what
At the aftertaste, it do taste like a Twizzler. Yeah.
I taste like a Twizzler.
And I do love me a good Twizzler. So that's gonna be a solid 8 for me.
That's gonna be an 8 for me too.
I'm gonna have to go 4. It's not something I really like. I don't really fuck with Twizzlers. Man.
I really like this. You know what it reminds me of?
What?
You know those rainbow sour like belts?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
like these, bro.
Airheads
Just
or whatever.
suck on them, just like.
Pause. Pause.
What?
Pause.
Pause.
What's wrong with that, bro? What's wrong with sucking?
Ain't even like normal.
Alright, next one is a Hasbro Fruit Mania. You know what I'm
You
saying?
say Hasbro?
Yeah, it's hair,
I said Hasbro, my dumb ass.
bro. Nah, I know what you're talking about, though.
Ooh, them look like the first one we had. What was it called?
Okay. I'm digging the texture of these.
These look just like them.
Them motherfuckers look like Lucky Charms.
Little dumb man.
They look
I
like,
think I got like yogurt in it.
they look like gummy nipples.
Ooh.
I smelled it too.
It smells real to me.
Alright, ready? 3, 2.
Oh, wait. This shit smells like rubber, bro.
This shit smells
Right, this is
Ready?
like
3,
tar, bro.
2, 1, go. Damn, that bit's soft as hell.
Yeah, it's really soft. That's good.
Disgusting as fuck.
Just trifling. That shit is disgusting.
Fuck is on
I don't know what y'all want. I like this.
Oh, I'll fuck with that. Hey, that shit is
Nigga, you spit it in that bag that has Chinese food in it?
No, I already took my food out.
I gotta wash that
My
out.
food is that orange chicken right there.
But what about this rice right here?
You like him out, huh?
Oh
No.
shit.
That was one of these candies.
Dude, that shit tastes like
That's probably
strawberry
been in
and
there
tar.
for a while.
Yeah.
But
Rubber
Put it in the
shit.
microwave.
I give that shit
Something
a
in
0. That shit is disgusting. 0. Alex, get back in the frame. You're not in the frame.
I give them like a 7.5. I like them.
I'll give it a 2 because
Tweaking.
like I could eat it again. It's not like the most terrible thing in the world. It's just I would never ever pick
Ever.
Whoever made that snack needs to jump on it.
Alright, man, if y'all like that video, man, hit that like button, man, subscribe, man, comment, man, show all the love y'all can, man, and yeah, I'm gonna run this shit up, man, long live Kim.